breaking down when we left the factory on the way to the Pagani Museum, and he happened to break down on the Valentino Balboni Highway, right at the entrance of a farm. So the car blew an oil line, right, Valentino? And Valentino immediately stopped. The other 86 cars continued on to the Pagani Museum, but this man, being who he is, he stopped to rescue Mike. I happened to be right behind Valentino, and I stopped as well because I had to help. As many of you know, I turn a few wrenches, so I figured I'd do what I could. Anyway, Valentino called Luigi or Marcello or someone, and within 30 minutes there was a flatbed truck picking up the Diablo, and within 12 hours the Diablo is fixed and ready for the next morning's event. Well, so as the flatbed leaves with the Diablo, we're now about 30 minutes behind the group. Valentino and Emilia get in his orange Gallardo Balboni, by the way, which happened to be 2 of the 7 manual gated cars produced. And Valentino says to me, "Paulo, are you ready?"